I am really excited to share with you one of our new listings in Bridgetown at the Plantation, right here in sunny Fort Myers. This is a Stonewater with a loft at 11419 Battersea Place. You have got to see this one. Let's take a tour. One of my favorite features of the Stonewater is the double door entry. Welcome. One of my favorite things about the Stonewater with the loft is this amazing 2-story entryway combined with the double door entry that gives you a huge space right when you walk in, nice and inviting with a sight line all the way back through the lanai with the pool and hot tub. So right as you enter the front of the home, you have a front bedroom with a upgraded bay window. Really nice size bedroom. Tons of automation in this home. These blinds are automatic on a remote. Double closet door there. Incredible. There they go. Awesome. And finishing off this front entryway is your first full bathroom. White subway tile, glass doors upgraded from a bathtub shower combo into a walk-in shower, white cabinets, coarse countertops. You have a lot of opportunity here. You can see you've got a pocket door to give whoever's in this front entryway privacy in their own space. And you're gonna get a quick glance here at the amazing open living space of the Stonewater with a loft. But first, we're gonna dip in here to the den. So nice size office here. Plank tile upgraded porcelain flooring throughout the home. You can see again, the same automated shutters and French doors for this den. We'll come back to the upstairs in a minute, but really large dining space here. I've seen this set up multiple ways. Some people set it up as an office. Some people set it up as a sitting area. Lots of people use it as a dining room. Amazingly tall ceilings in this floor plan. Coffered ceiling with additional can lighting. This house is amazingly neutral and clean, and it is an empty palette for you if you choose to add any additional features, but it is lovely as it is. White cabinetry, upgraded KitchenAid appliances with the upgraded built-in kitchen package. Quartz counters throughout and a lovely backsplash. We do have another eating area here in the kitchen. And a really large pantry. Check it out. Beautiful. Just a quick peek now. We'll be back to that later. All right, heading into the primary bathroom where you've got a large tray ceiling. More of the automated blinds. These are super easy to use. You just charge them up and they're on a remote, just like a fan. Really large ensuite bathroom. White cabinets carried through just like everywhere else with quartz counters, dual sinks, upgraded to the square. Nice size walk-in shower with tile to the ceiling, which is an upgrade. Nice little area here for some additional storage or a makeup table. There they go, they're on their way down. And we don't want to forget the customized closet. Gives you lots of room for storage and organization. One of the greatest features of this floor plan is the split bedroom design. So remember, you have the bedroom up front, the den in the middle, then you have another bedroom suite back here in the back, and again, thoughtful with the pocket sliding door to give privacy back here. So Nice little bedroom, good size. And we've got the shower tub, bathtub shower combo. Consistent granite throughout, white subway tile here in this second full bathroom, and an amazing linen closet. Don't want to forget the very handy drop zone with hooks and storage back here by the garage entry, and laundry room fully finished with cabinets. Front loader washer dryer upgrade and a sink. All right, let's check out the loft. Again, this is the Stonewater floor plan with the loft. This is a lovely upgrade here with the metal rails. Wait till you see how much room there is up here. Absolutely incredible. Tons of space up here to do whatever you desire. And you do get a fourth bedroom as part of this loft, as well as another full bathroom with tub shower combo, same quartz counters, white cabinets, and white subway tile. And you even have a pocket door to make it an ensuite with that fourth bedroom. I am super excited to show you this lanai. One of the smart upgrades that was done with this Stonewater with a loft is they chose the wide open nesting sliders out onto the lanai. A lot of times in this floor plan, you'll see it with 2 sets of sliding doors. I love this selection. It brings your outdoors in. Huge undercover space. You can see they have a lot of furniture out here, and it is very comfortable with space. Saltwater pool with hot tub. Extra space out here. And check out this oversized lot. Can we talk about this? It is 1/3 of an acre almost, which is not common here in Florida. This is a lot of extra space. Huge backyard. Really nicely landscaped. Lots of greeneries and trees and privacy. Looking to the other side, look how much space there is between the homes. It's a lot for Florida. Beautiful. This home is roughed in to add a kitchen already, so it's got the venting, it's got the water, it is ready to go, and a little storage closet and a half cabana bath. Awesome. What do you think about this Stonewater with the loft? If you have any questions about this home, you'd like to see more, learn more about it, give me a call or text me at 239-776-6872. Some of my favorite things about this home in this community, just a stone's throw from Fenway South and the Minnesota Twins spring training. We are really close to RSW International Airport, close to tons of restaurants, shopping, entertainment. We've got about 20-25 minutes to our award-winning beaches. I mean, the location could not be better. So give us a call if you want to learn more about this or living the Southwest Florida lifestyle anywhere else, and we will show you how to live joy in Southwest Florida.